Let's fry up some chicken, y'all. I got 8 chicken thighs that I split down the middle. I'm using this Louisiana seasoned chicken frying. I got 3 to 4 tablespoons of that frying mix in here with a half a cup of water that I mixed for a batter. Now what I want to do is I want to use some onion powder, and I'm going to season this up with some garlic powder. And I'm also going to toss in a pack of this here Saison, all right, because our batter mix is going to do a good job with seasoning up these here legs. I just want to mix all of these seasonings up together. Yes, I'm going to show you how I fry up some good chicken. I split these legs down the middle so that they would fry easily. You understand what I'm saying? So they will be cooked through the bone. So you could definitely try that if you would like. That tip is great. Now I want to take these legs and I want to put them inside this here batter mixture. So I took 4 tablespoons of that seasoned flour, the chicken seasoning or the chicken batter, along with a half a cup of water, and I mixed it. And now I'm just going ahead submerging these legs up in this here batter, because this is going to give us that great crunch on our chicken. It's going to give us that great crust on that chicken, and as my man Chef Ray used to say, crustification. That's what we're looking for. Now I want to take that Louisiana seasoning flour and just toss it all over these legs. I just want to go ahead and just press deep into these here pieces of meat so that that mixture can get all up into the crevices and into the creases of the chicken before we start frying this baby up. But I want you to go ahead and just take you some vegetable oil, peanut oil, whatever kind of oil you use, and heat it up on the stove. I got mine set up on medium-high heat, and my temperature that I want this to read at is about 350. Once that temperature hit 350 degrees, then we're ready to fry some things up. So even though I got 8 pieces of chicken legs, I'm going to cook at least 4 legs in this pot in rotation. So I don't want to crowd up my pot. If I do, then my chicken is going to take a little bit longer to cook, and it's going to cool down the temperature of my oil. So I'm cooking 4 legs at a time. And as you can see, I'm telling you something right now, it's going to be so good and so tasty. If you want to go ahead and try to season up your own flour seasoning, there are a lot of recipes that's out here where you could do that or whatever. But if you want to take the easy way out, just go ahead and get you some already pre-made fry mix, and you can't go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? Trust and believe me, you'll love it. But as you can look right here, this chicken looks so good and it's tasty. But when you add those other ingredients that I used in the beginning, it's going to jazz up these flavors a little bit more. Trust and believe me. I got some collard greens and some candy yams to go with this. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We doing some country eating up in this here place. I'm telling you. But this chicken, though, it was so daggone good. But if you really want these recipes for these greens, I got a video that I just posted. Go over there and check out that video, and you will see the recipe for these greens. You've got to try this, and watch the live video as well. Now I want to say thank you to Phil Holmes for joining the membership. I really appreciate you. But these candy yams right here, oh my God, these are some of the easiest and best candy yams available. Check out the video. Love you guys.